teacher, and good morning all my classmates.
Good morning.
My name is Jai Woon Phet. I'm come from Bangladesh. Today I'm gonna talk about Buddha history. The title is The Buddha and Rahula. Rahula, the only son of the Buddha, become a monk. He was the youngest in the Sangha. All Sangha loved and spoiled him. And Rahula did whatever he liked. Sometimes he just telling life for fun of it. And the Buddha said to Rahula, please bring me a basin of water. I want to wash my feet. He washed his feet and said to Rahula, would you drink this water? And Rahula said, no, it's dirty. No, it's dirty. Rahula replied, and the Buddha said to Rahula, it's the same. If water gets dirty, no one wants it. It's the same of those who told lies. No one care them anymore. We should always tell the truth. No lying. Thank you.